Ever roll out of bed already feeling like you're behind? Heavy legs, scattered mind, no energy? This isn't just about movement, it's about momentum. Let's realign your rhythm before the world pulls you off course. Let's hit the mat. We're starting light, but don't underestimate this. Stand tall, drive your right knee up to hip height, lower and switch. Keep your arms swinging naturally. Imagine you're marching toward clarity because you are. This isn't cardio, it's coordination, it's breath and motion syncing up. Did you know just 30 seconds of controlled marching activates both hemispheres of your brain? Keep marching. 10 more seconds. That just jump started your system. Now let's fire up your core. Let's connect upper and lower body through control. Hands behind your head, elbows wide. Bend your upper torso towards your waist. Reset and keep going, moving with control. Feel your abs engage, not from speed, but from precision. Beginners, slow it down. Advanced stretches, add a little pause at the top of each crunch. Feel that burn in your core yet? If not, slow down and connect to it. Last 5 seconds. That just activated your center. Now let's unlock your hips and spine. Time to reset your pelvis and spine. Feet shoulder width apart. Begin rotating your hips in a slow, intentional circle, like you're drawing a halo with your waist. Switch directions halfway. This isn't just playful, it's functional. It resets your lower back, hips, and even digestion. Here's a little surprising fact. Your lumbar spine can hold on to stress more than your shoulders. This helps release it. Can you make the circle bigger without losing control? Five more seconds. That just recentered your spine. Now let's challenge your coordination. Now we combine grounding with rotation. Squat deep, elbows pressing into your knees. Raise your right arm up to the sky, elbows follow hand. Bring it back down and switch sides. Beginners, if you can't go deep, just lower part way and twist. Advanced stretches keep your spine tall and chest proud. Twist deep from the ribs, not just the shoulders. Feel a stretch in your spine and hips yet? If not, slow it down and hold the top for 5 seconds. Try to pause at the top of each twist for an extra breath. That just woke up your whole chain. Let's seal it with one final move. We end where most people never even think to stretch, the wrists. Extend your arms in front of you. Make soft fists and begin rolling your wrists in small, smooth circles. Switch directions halfway through. These little joints take on so much. Texting, typing, tension, and we really give them back what they carry. Beginners just move slowly and keep the shoulders relaxed. Advanced stretches add finger spreads and control tension through the forearms. Feel any cracks or stiffness? That's your body asking for attention. Hold still, shake it out, reset your arms. Game on. You just completed the full 5-minute reset.